From luxury mansions to gamer kingdoms and family-built dream houses, these YouTubers are living in homes that'll make you question reality. This is Filipino YouTuber homes you won't believe exist, Ivana Alawi. When people say Ivana lives like a queen, they mean it literally. Her 20 million pesos Alabang mansion looks straight out of a Hollywood movie. This place has marble floors, massive chandeliers, and Italian-made furniture that probably cost more than most cars. Her all-white kitchen looks like it came out of a magazine. Spotless marble counters, imported appliances, and hidden storage that keeps everything picture perfect. But what makes her mansion special isn't just the luxury, it's the love behind it. Ivana built this home for her mom, making sure every detail reflected her family's comfort and happiness. It's elegant, warm, and personal, a mix that only Ivana could pull off. If dream home had a face, it'd be Ivana's smile. Donnalyn Bartolome. Next up is Donnalyn Bartolome, the ever-bubbly creator whose house is just as lively as her personality. Her 15 million pesos modern home is full of color, creativity, and fun energy. The bright pink tones, glam room, and terrace all scream content creator life. Donnalyn's place perfectly represents her. Hardworking, generous, and full of heart. She even once gave away a 2 million house and lot to a fan. That's not something you see every day. She also went viral for her beach Giboo mansion, a tropical modern setup made of bamboo and amacan, but decorated with LED lights and luxury touches. Only Donnalyn could make a Bahay Giboo look like a music video set. Her home isn't just beautiful, and it's a reflection of joy, gratitude, and creativity. Akosi Dogie. Now we're heading into gamer territory. Akosi Dogie, one of the biggest gaming YouTubers in the country, lives in a house that's every gamer's dream come true. Estimated at around 10 pesos million, Doggie's home is built for performance, both in life and in Mobile Legends. He's got a fully equipped streaming room, RGB lights everywhere, multiple high-end PCs, and collectibles that cover the walls. Every corner of his home is optimized for content creation. It's the kind of setup that makes you want to stream 24/7. What's even cooler is that Doggie started from scratch. No big sponsors, no shortcuts, just hard work and consistency. His home isn't just where he lives, it's a monument to years of grinding, gaming, and growing. Ser Geybin. Now this one's heartwarming. Ser Geybin, also known as Gavin Camp Pinpin, didn't just buy one house. He and his brothers built 3. Their family compound, known as Camp Pinpin, sits on a massive 3,500 square meter property in Cabanatuan City. Each of the 3 houses is fully furnished, modern, and beautifully designed, featuring glass walls, a jacuzzi, a swimming pool, and even a home theater. The total value, roughly 35 million pesos. What makes it truly special is the story behind it. The Camp Pinpin brothers built these homes as a gift to their mom. A dream come true after years of struggle. They went from humble beginnings to giving their mother a home fit for a queen. It's not just a family home, it's a family legacy. Camp Pinpin isn't just a name, it's a symbol of love, unity, and hard work paying off. Ordona. And lastly, the man who proved that hard work really pays off, Ordona. From humble beginnings to one of the fastest growing vloggers in the Philippines, Von's modern 2-story home is a symbol of his grind. His house in Cavite shows off a clean, minimalist aesthetic, white walls, warm wood interiors, and a cozy backyard space perfect for filming or just relaxing. Von's vlog revealed how emotional he was during the house blessing, saying it's a dream come true. Estimated value? Around 10 to 12 million pesos. He built it not just for himself, but for his family. And that's what makes it special. It's not just walls and windows. It's a reward for every sleepless night chasing his dream. From content creator to homeowner. That's a real-life success story. From Ivana's 20 million pesos mansion to Ser Geybin's 35 million pesos Camp Pinpin family estate, these YouTubers prove that dreams really can be built. one upload at a time. These aren't just houses, they're the physical results of passion, persistence, and purpose. So which one amazed you the most? Ivana's luxurious palace, Doggie's gamer den, or Camp Pinpin, the ultimate family gift? Let us know in the comments, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more awesome stories. This has been Filipino YouTuber homes you won't believe exist.